The following audio experiment is presented by Dark Matter Magazine. Your voluntary participation is appreciated.
Drifting from Her Lunar Ruin by Sloane Leong. The scent of quartz hits you like a collapse. Inky dreams crumbling into a cold, crisp awareness. White dust falls from your eyes and mouth as they part in a gasp, pink saliva oozing a new trail from the gate of your glassine teeth. You will all 6 of your eyes open, breaking the crystal rind with rapid blinks. The sound of your eyelids crackling the hardened film across your pupils. The sounds like a newborn escaping its egg. You heave a firstborn breath, agonized. What has woken you? You sit up with all the pain a crystallized body offers, emaciated, full of ancient stalagmite ribs and thin, shriveled entrails. You untangle yourself from your nest's nutrient-rich feeding tendrils. They slither back into the porous walls with a sucking pop. You lick your time-bloomed sores, knead the knots of vigilante veins and arteries with the heel of your clawed hand. Vision returns slow as flowstone, dripping into clarity. When it finally settles into the vivacity you recall, you look out of your skull at the gray-pink ruin of your skin, your many arms, flushed talons, the knotted river of a tail. You wonder how long this sickness has kept you beneath the black membrane of sleep.